Nice one, nice one.
I want you.
What is your name?
I'm Kevin Andre R. Mirasol.
Wow, ilang taon ka na?
Good job, Kevin.
Walaan mo. 16 years old ba?
12.
Ay, true! 16 years old.
16. Oh my gosh, pwede kaming barkada.
Gora! Laban, di ba?
If I can't be your coach, I can be your friend. Dahil 16 ka pa, Gen Z ka, anong favorite mong Gen Z slang?
Ukay to the go. Di ba?
Ano ibig sabihin ng ukay to the go?
Ukay to the go is parang di mo kailangan gumastos ng sobrang laki para, di ba, mas magmukhang maayos.
Vintage
Yes!
ukay,
Tignan mo.
ganon.
Ukay. 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 Di ba, laban?
Ano ibig sabihin?
Ukay to the go, ibig sabihin, pag tinanong ko, saan galing na damit na? Ukay to the go.
True!
It just means na nakuha niya yung damit sa ukay-ukay.
Ukay means...
Ay, hindi niya alam yung ukay-ukay.
Ukay, di ba you bury them?
Ay, ang galing! Joker siya!
Ukay.
Joker siya!
Alam mo na, pag nakapili ka na ng coach, yung coach mo dadalhin mo sa ukay-ukay.
True! Sabay kami mag-ukay na Ate
ganito
Casey.
yun. Ganito po yun, Coach Bamboo and Coach Martin.
It's like shopping, right? It's thrifting. It's thrifting.
Oh, yan, thrift.
Oh,
Yo, dude,
thrift
it's thrifting.
shopping.
Yeah. Thrifting.
Oh, right.
Oh my gosh, na-excite ako. Ang dami niyong matututunan sa kanya.
Pero hindi ka umikot.
Kasi Ate Casey, konting gano'n na lang, oh.
Ay. Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Ito
gosh.
na nga, hindi lang ako umikot. Siguro, naghintay lang din ako ng special moment. Pero, alam ko na alam mo na your voice is changing at naririnig ko yun sa performance mo. Pero, ang ganda din na alam mo kung ano yung kanta na babagay sa pagbabago ng boses mo. So, I am so excited na makita ka at marinig ka sa mga kanta ng coach na pipiliin mo para sa'yo. And I'm so excited to have more fun with you in the future, you know.
Okay. Problema natin, Kevin. Parang hindi tayo nagkakaintindihan. Nag-uusap kayo ni Coach Casey. I'm like, what the heck are these guys talking about? So, I'm being honest with you, Kevin. So, kung ganun yung conversation nyo, kala ko ng translator. Baka tulungan mo ako. Kasi wala ako naiintindihan sa whatever you guys were talking about. Gusto ko energy levels mo, makulit ka. I like that on my team. Diba? Yun na ano ko. So, masaya tayo sa Camp Kawayan. Why do you keep touching your ear, dude? Come on, eh? Not his ear. I know.
Parang kaya din ni Sir Martin yun,
What's
no?
that?
Ano?
I don't know, dude.
Yung gano'n, no? Ay, taray, laban siya.
Yung pinili mong artist for this audition, of course, is from Camp Kawayan, di ba? So, I appreciate that. But that's not the only reason why I turned, no? I think lang, again, nasabi ko ilang beses na sa show na to, in all the years, is naghahanap ako, kung mag-cover ka ng kanta, gumawa ka ng sarili mong version. Yung mga piyok mo, yung mga weaknesses mo, yun ang nagustuhan ko sa boses mo, eh. Na parang hindi aksidente, may intention. Hindi ganun kahirap tayo mag-communicate as artists. As ukay buddy, it's Coach KZ, right? But for music and whatever, if you want to guide to this competition, it's me. I would like to have you as an artist on Camp Kawayan.
Kevin, I need you on my team. Alam ko, mas bagay si Ukay Queen. Actually,
Ayaw sabihin mo, mas may budget kang pang ukay-ukay.
yung umikot yung chair ko, doon ako tumitingin, alam ko kung bakit umikot yung chair ko. Pag nakita ko kayo at tapos nagsasalita ka ng Gen Z, I forgot why. I forgot everything.
Pareho lang, see?
I lost it all. So I think kung mag-join ka ng Mark team, sing ka na lang. We cannot talk. You and I. But you know what? Yung attitude mo, yung stage presence mo, you know how to sell a song.
I agree.
Yan ang mahirap sa mga bagets ngayon. Nag-close yung eyes, kumakanta, dahil feeling nila, yun lang ang gagawin. Hindi. Kailangan ibenta mo yung kanta. Kailangan may tiwala ka sa mga lyrics na kinakanta mo. And I see that and I hear that.
Yeah.
I could hear it without looking at you. I can tell nag-enjoy ka, na ukay-ukay yung boses mo.
Same lang.
Yes, very nice. But you have to make a decision.
Okay.
Okay, eto
Who
na
will it
nga.
be? Cam Kawayan or Martin? Come on. Make the
Narinig mo
right
na.
choice, baby.
Narinig mo na ang dalawang coaches.
Ukay-ukay to.
Ngayon, nasa iyo na ang
Luma to.
desisyon.
Luma. Galing sa lolo
Who
ko to
are
eh.
you picking as your coach?
Siguro po, kaya ako po siya pipiliin na coach ko is, simula ng una pa lang, alam ko talaga na matutulungan niya ako na mag-grow as an artist, as a singer. Ayun po. Ang pipiliin ko po na coach is...
You never know. They always surprise you.
Coach Bamboo po.
Yeah! It's all right. Kevin! Yeah! And you are an artist. Such presence and intelligence, huh? Thank you very much. Welcome to Camp Kawayan. Alam mo na to, no?
Bagay sila.
Serious na to.
1, 2, 3.
Asahan ko pong mag-ukay-ukay po kayo.
Okay.